Hi, Kevin at Ledoux Guitars. I'm here today with a part two on the major surgery with this jumbo guitar here. Um, you may have seen that video before. If not, take a look at it. It's this jumbo guitar came in, a guitar that I made, let me see, in 2012. Um, the owner had died and the guitar was left unattended and fell into rack and ruin. So uh, I have to tear it apart and put a new top on it. In quick review, here's the top. It's spruce. This was a very nice guitar. It had a wonderful sound, but it resided in the Southwest and it was left to dry out, and it was really, it was not abused, but it was not properly humidified and cared for. So it really came to rack and ruin. And I took the top off in the last video that I did. And today I thought I'd just show you that I've now got the guitar uh, in this temporary adjustable mold, if you will. And I've gone around the bottom of it. I don't know if you can see this very well, but to accommodate for the arching of the back, I've gone around and shimmed around the rim so that when I finally come to gluing the top down or redoming and stuff, I've got this thing nicely stable. That's going to be a real important thing there. And I have a new top. A few days ago, I selected this, quite a nice piece of spruce, I think, and put in a new rosette, of course. The top right now is at 108 thousandths of an inch, 108 thousandths of an inch thick. And right now it sounds terrible, as you can hear. You know, short duration, not much going on, no low end at all. And that's because the bracing is still raw. Not one thing has been carved. It has not been voiced. Still, I think it's got a lot of potential. We'll see as I carve these braces down and voice it out. I'm sure it's going to come up as nice, maybe a little nicer than the other one. I also, if you watched the previous video, I remarked that I thought the X angle was way open, a little bit too wide. As you can see here, there's a lot of space for that bridge to sit in there and not be directly over these braces as much as I thought maybe they should have been. The top was quite badly distorted here in the bridge region as well. So hoping to correct a lot of that, and I guess build a little more strength in this thing maybe than is necessary, because when this goes back to the owner, they are not guitar players. So what's going to happen to the instrument, I'm really not sure. This guitar will be returned to the owner's sister and brother-in-law. So there it is, top in the raw. My next step will be to dome this down to 40 feet, which was the original doming in the guitar, and prepare to, refurbish these linings. These little spots here where the braces were cut in, that's all got to be removed and redone so that all of this can go back together almost as original, looking like it was never touched. Well, there's where we are with this project. There are others on the bench, of course. I'll be back to YouTube with another chapter on this as the appropriate time comes up. And in the meantime, thank you for watching. I hope you'll put a like on the video and maybe subscribe to my channel if you have not. This is Kevin Ledoux at Ledoux Guitars. Thanks again for watching.